In this video, I'll show you how to contact Paysend customer support. So to get started, go ahead and head over to the app, click on the top right corner of your screen and scroll down into the section. Head over into the support section and select the contact method that you want to do with this. So you can simply select chat or email. If you want to select chat, this will prompt onto your application. So in here, you just need to enter the dispute that you want to actually reach out to Paysend to. You need to actually explain the information, the current situation that you're currently facing. You can also email them, clicking email in that and enter your issue type and enter the information that you want to actually send to them or the current problem that you're currently facing on Paysend. So after you do that, you can simply send your email to them and they'll receive the email and respond to your message once their customer support is already available. And that is how you can basically contact Paysend customer support. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.